Hello, my name is Jack Klober. I'm proud to be the CEO of MicroMGx. We harness microbial chemistry to create more effective and sustainable products, especially in the agriculture space. Dr. Anthony Gehring, our Chief Science Officer, is going to explain how important microbial chemistry is to all of us. Tony?
At MicroMGx, we regard microbes as a tremendously valuable natural resource. Microbes are the greatest chemists on the planet, and over 4 billion years of evolution, they've created millions of specialized molecules to compete and control their environment. We call these molecules natural products. By drawing inspiration from natural products that microbes make, world-changing and commercially successful products have been created, including antibiotics like penicillin and the cholesterol-lowering drug Lipitor. In fact, more than half of all medicines were developed from natural products. Natural products have also had an impact in agriculture, where they're used as fungicides, insecticides, and herbicides, including the leading product glufosinate. However, fewer than 3% of the natural products that exist in nature have been discovered.
In the past, it was possible to find microbes that make bioactive natural products using methods that are basically trial and error. However, trial and error methods will eventually begin to rediscover the same molecules over and over again in different microbes, up to 80% of the time resulting in the discovery of the same old compounds, which waste time and resources. We have solved this problem by developing the most efficient large-scale discovery platform. This approach allows us to prioritize microbes that make bioactive natural products and eliminates the problem of rediscovery. We can now discover natural products 100 times faster and at 1/100th the cost of the traditional methods. The key to making the discovery of natural products faster and more cost-effective is our MGx platform. The platform integrates genomics and metabolomics technologies to find microbes that make new natural products. Genomics technology allows us to sequence thousands of microbial genomes and identify the natural product biosynthesis pathways encoded within. We pair that information with high-resolution mass spectrometry analysis of the natural products each strain produces. When we put this information together, we get a mapping of which natural products go with which sets of biosynthesis genes, based on their co-occurrence in different strains. This allows us to determine which natural products are new so they can be prioritized for bioactivity testing. The platform is flexible because it works with all different types of microbes, including all kinds of bacteria and fungi. It's massively parallel because we look at everything each strain makes and can make. As we mentioned before, we've solved the issue of rediscovery, and so overall this means we can do more, higher quality tests with the natural products that we find.
Now, Tony has explained the science behind our platform and how efficient it is. Our product is our actionable and enabling licensing package. This package will first contain the novel natural product's bioactivity profile. But in addition, we provide valuable genomics, metabolomics data, and the best producing strain so that the customer can immediately start producing this natural product. This package will then be licensed out to life science companies such as UPL, Bayer, Syngenta, or Corteva. Our business plan follows from that licensing package. Our collection of licensable molecules will allow our development customers to search and choose the one most interesting to them. Each license agreement will provide an upfront license fee, which is our source for short-term revenue, and then milestone payments, usually in order of magnitude higher, and long-term revenue from royalties, usually about 5%. So how big is this market? Well, the crop protection market alone is projected to be $74 billion in 2025, and every company is looking for new molecules, especially with new modes of action. What would you pay for an effective natural herbicide that has a new mode of action? To be clear, our market is not the consumer or farmer, but development companies. And our go-to-market strategy is to focus on agriculture crop protection companies. If you combine the agriculture and pharmaceuticals B2B licensing market for new molecules, a Clarivate report estimated a TAM of $133 billion, 2018. If we look at just small molecules and then the historic percentage that are natural products, we're still looking at over $44 billion. We believe a 1% market penetration, over $400 million annually, is very manageable within 5 years of investment. Why do we think we can achieve this level of success? Well, our 8 peer-reviewed publications give evidence of new bioactive natural products using this platform. We're also working with 3 world-class clients at confirming the minimal viable product and improving our platform's efficiency. You see Corteva, Elenco, and Valent. We have raised funds from NIH and an investment from our angel investor of $400K. We're very excited about our lead patented product as well, a potential broad-spectrum herbicide, perhaps the first new mechanism of action in 35 years.
MGx 1001 is the first molecule in our pipeline of new active ingredients for agriculture. If MGx 1001 is fully developed and marketed, it'll be the first new herbicide active ingredient in over 30 years, disrupting the $35 billion crop protection industry. Early laboratory tests of MGx 1001 showed that it is at least as powerful as leading products like glyphosate and glufosinate. We also completed greenhouse tests that showed it is effective against weeds that are resistant to these other herbicides. We plan to further investigate the selectivity of MGx 1001, optimize its formulation, and evaluate its efficacy in outdoor field trials. Once we've completed these planned tests, we anticipate that the license for MGx 1001 will be worth up to $25 million. At that point, we'll license it to one of the major ag tech companies that can finalize development and registration and market the first products that use MGx 1001 as an active ingredient. We are not the only company that sees the value in discovering new natural products, but we have the only platform that is built for large-scale discovery. The largest category of companies in this space are using heterologous expression technologies that are expensive and serial, meaning they cannot be scaled to discover hundreds of new natural products per year. Other companies are focused on hard to access and hard to culture microbes, but we've only scratched the surface of what the microbes in our own backyards can make. So overall, our advantage is that our platform is massively parallel, and therefore it can deliver many more new natural products for lower costs than our competition.
I'm very proud to introduce you to our fantastic founders and scientific advisors. On the left, you see 3 founders, Neil Kelleher, Reagan Thompson, both from Northwestern University, and our chair, Bill Metcalf from University of Illinois. Our broad spectrum platform is covered by Neil with mass spectrometry, Reagan, organic synthesis, and Bill, genome mining and phosphonates. Our newly formed advisory board consists of 3 30-year veterans and thought leaders in natural product discovery, pharmaceuticals, and ag tech, respectively. Our angel investor, Raj, is a board-certified cardiovascular surgeon in Ohio. I hope you see now that we have the team, we have the platform to harness microbial chemistry, we have a novel business plan, and we have a licensable molecule, which may be the first new herbicide in 35 years. Thank you very much.